Hey, in this video you're going to learn how to download your floor plans. So you've gotten your delivery email from us, and to get to your downloads page you click download media at the top or download media link below here. That will take you to your downloads page. At the top you'll see download videos, download photos. If you download all photos, your floor plans will be included in a separate folder in that zip folder that gets downloaded to your computer. If you want to download floor plans individually, you'll scroll down past photos and find them here at the bottom, where you can click one of these red download links to get you your floor plans. The second way to download your floor plans is by going through our website and logging into your account to get to your client dashboard. You'll find your job on your dashboard, click the download photos button, and that will take you back to your download media page, and you'll be able to find the floor plans the same way I showed you to download. If you have any questions about this process, please do not hesitate to reach out, as we'd be happy to help. Thank you.